Today we will have a look at another vintage radio. This one is the Schaub Lorenz from Germany. I got this with a bunch of other vintage stereo and cassette players. I don't remember how much I paid, but it wasn't much. I never tested it, and today we will have a look, clean it, take it apart, see if it works. First, let's have a closer look. So here it says Intercontinental, everything of course written in German. We have low wave, medium wave, and UK, and the short wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another short wave 1. Yeah, this is the band selector, and you have all this nice display here that changes. We have 2 or 3 dials. This one, the bottom ones, moves when you tune it with this tuner. This is for the FM. By the look of it, says here FM. So UK, maybe it's the FM in German. This is the AM, but the other dial does not move. This is AM, and this is AM fine tuning, I believe. That's the on-off switch with light. The tone knobs, one for bass, one for treble, I think. On the top here we have some disgusting stuff. Not sure what this is, like gum or glue tag or something. Big antenna. Wood made from heavy material. Wooding these are the interface, external antenna, ground, and the audio output. Not sure what this is. This looks like a lamp socket. Nothing on the sides. That's the antenna. It's very long, almost touching the roof, and also you can tilt it like that. So let's start with the battery compartment. See if there is any batteries inside, because it's quite heavy. Okay, no batteries, but we have power cord. European. Okay, so this is not a battery compartment, or is it? Oh yeah, this is a partner compartment, I think. Yeah. Rubber bands, old ones, became like crunchy something. Rusty takes 6 D cells, I think, or C cells. We can have a peek inside. We can see some of the electronics. change stickers here. Voltage selector, it's on 240. We have 220, 150, 130, and 110. So let me turn it on and see if it works. And I need an adapter. Plugged in. There's sound.
Easy with 50% off the Rexona range, like Advanced Protection Antiperspirant Spray 220ml, $4.75 each. IGA, you can't beat local. Offer ends January 21.
So this is a FM.
Low prices every day in travel size.
Are you lying awake at night thinking about how behind you are in your tax? Are you worried about the fines you may be issued with by the ATO? You're not alone. Whether you've run a business or had a rental property during that time, there's no filter.
That's carry me like a baby.
Lucy and Cal.
But yeah, that's just a little experience I had.
Yeah, you mentioned it being a scary experience. What made it scary? What about it was frightening?
Well, I have no idea what I was doing. It is the things that my mind telling me something.
MW. Of course, we cannot tune because I think the thread is just broken. Same thing with LW and SW. So right now only the FM works.
Do it right with Exopest. You've won the fight. Test Manager of the Year. Safe, affordable, reliable. Exopest.com.au. 1-800 68 62 99.
Station sponsor, 89.9 The Light.
Fun and positive and clean. You've got a lifelong listener here, I reckon.
The Light.
Positive radio.
Okay, let's take it apart and give it a clean and fix the dial. It's a little bit confusing. So we have here, this is the FM, and you tune it with this knob. SW, then you choose which SW from here and tune it with this knob. MW, this knob. LW, I think also this knob, and this is fine tuning. And IFC, which is automatic frequency control. Band something is all in German. Phono. Bandwidth. Okay, yeah, there is English. I thought it's only German. So it's German and English. So it does say bandwidth here. It does say bandwidth here. And this is sharp on sharp. The bandwidth, make it sharp or not. Phono UK, which is FM. Shortwave. And these three are all AM. That's the fine tuning here. here you have names of cities, different cities in Europe, maybe in Germany.
Contar que las lesiones obligaron a las estrellas del tenis australiano Nick Kyrgios y Thanasi Kokinakis a abandonar la cancha de dobles el jueves por la noche. James Duckworth y Alexander Bubich se llevaron el primer set.
No light. Wood, MDF, and here we have other type of wood, and that's the inside. Very messy and beautiful. Let's see if I can get this out. There are a few screws on the metal chassis, so hopefully if I remove these screws, the whole circuit board, the whole thing will come out. The knobs have locking screws. You cannot just pull them out. Still hard. need to get rid of the antenna because it's holding us. I can't get this out because the aerial is holding it, and I don't want to break it. So. Everything is loose except for the aerial. Well, probably I will leave it because this dial is working. It's just stiff. Maybe it just needs some lubrication and it will be fine. Okay, I was able to get the antenna out. Just loosen this screw, and the nut fell, and the antenna just slided off. Okay. Let's give it a quick clean, then investigate. Made in Germany. 3 watts. So here we have 2 switches, this one, and one button pressing both of them. Same with this one, this one, this one. This light bulb fell off when I opened it, and I think it goes there. goes there. And there's another one there. That's the AC transformer. Here I think is the bridge rectifier, maybe. That's the voltage selector, and that's everything. Now let's put it back together. And check the reception on the other bands. That's how the antenna was connected. It just slides in from the other side, of course. I'm just doing it here to show you. And there's a screw here that clamp. When you tighten the screws, it will clamp on it and it will stay in place. Neat. Looks like there's a cover that comes here, connects from the feet to here and locks somewhere here to protect the front, but it's missing.
Την ονομαστική τους εορτή.
This is MW.
Florida, ahead of next week's inauguration. Here's political
After the vandalism of a home in Sydney East.
Trump International Golf Course.
LW. SW. I switched the LED off and the router. MW.
Παρακαλώ, ένα θέμα που ξεχωρίζεις που αναφέρθηκαν προηγουμένως. Θέμη, υπηρεσίες.
LW. And FM.
Is it possible to hit a tennis ball over Kia Arena?
To ensure these people stay behind bars.
He's won the first 2 sets of his round 3 singles. We just still pretend this can be mine. And the third record number of
online approval.
I think about you all the time.
And then find out for the silly song of the week.
Just to deceive you by your...
In this post-pandemic era.
Report. Pretty average conditions out there this afternoon.
When the unit was allegedly set alight, it's believed a પુરુષોના મૃત્યુ બાદ એક ત્રીજા વ્યક્તિની શોધખોળ ચાલી રહી છે. જે માટે હત્યાકાંડ તપાસકર્તાઓ કહે છે que તેઓ
una respuesta correcta. Pero gracias nuevamente. Gracias por los saludos a todos.
Así es.
An external transfer to Blake Edwards has been placed on hold.
Si quieres.
And Vukic is the only Aussie in singles action on.
It's one of my name and a star.
Change the world. We'll see you next time here.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.